Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. This is Priyanka here. Today we are going to do revision of our Unit 2 in Financial Accounting 1 for BCom students especially. It is that in Unit 2, you know that subsidiary books, right, dear friends? So here in subsidiary books, what we will do? Actually, what is subsidiary books? How many types of subsidiary books are there? Let's we discuss that. And before going into topic, let's we discuss our previous topics. We have completed generals, we have completed ledgers, and we have completed the trial balance in unit 1. Okay, what are the methods and what are the steps? What are the format of an account? That all we have discussed, and what are those entries that we are going to write in trial balance and general entries and ledgers that we have discussed, and about the golden rules also we have discussed. Now in this book we are going to discuss what is subsidiary books. Okay, how many types of subsidiary books is there? If you know about meaning of subsidiary books and types of subsidiary books, you can easily write. Okay, so let's go into topic now. Subsidiary books here. Subsidiary books are special books of original entry used to record similar types of transaction. Original entry is nothing but the general entry, right? Primary entry, original entry is known as the general entries, right? From the transactions we are going to shift the transactions, that entries into subsidiary books. It is called as a special books. Why it is called as a special books, dear friends? It is a special books because that all transactions are not similar to each other. So that's what we are specialized the books to identify easily which transactions have to be right in which books. A number of transactions will happen in a business unit. A number of transactions will happen, but to get information quickly and to understand quickly, they have what you say implemented as subsidiary books that we call as a special books. Okay, if you see that we divide them into separate books too. Why we have divided this subsidiary books to what? For what is the purpose? Save time, avoid confusion, make accounting easy and systematic. Make the account easy and systematic, and avoid confusion and save the time. That is the main purpose why we have implemented such kind of subsidiary books. Is I am clear? So now discuss what are the types of the subsidiary books is there. What are those types of subsidiary books? Please listen carefully. Cash book, purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, sales return book, bills receivable book, bills payable book, general proper. Total there are 8 types of subsidiary books. Total there are 8 types of subsidiary book. The first one is cash book, purchase book, okay, purchase return book, sales return book, and what else ma? Bills receivable book. Bills receivable means which we have to receive. If you are given on credit basis, say sold out the goods, then bills receivable you will get the money, right? That is known as the bills receivable book. And bills payable book. Bills payable book means what, dear? Bills we are paying to from where we have purchased on credit base, we are paying, right? So that is known as the bills payable book. And general proper means what here? Records the transaction sorry, records the transactions not covered by other subsidiary books. Okay, these are 8 types of subsidiary books. Please remember, how many types of subsidiary books do we having, friends? We having 8 types of subsidiary books. How many types? 8 types. Cash book. Okay, in cash book again, double column and cash book, triple column and cash book, and single column and cash book you will get. So single column and cash book means particulars LF number, cash amount, what you have to pay. That is known as a single column cash book, and double column cash book. Double column means columns will be double. Particulars, date, LF. Here discount received. Okay, discount allowed. That column will be there, and amount. So two columns will be there. That is known as a double column cash book. Now coming to triple column cash book, or you can call it as a three column cash book. Why this three column cash book we will call? Here we will write a discount column, and we will write a cash column, and we will mention bank column also. So bank means, with the help of bank on, also we will withdraw money and we will deposit money. These all transactions will happen, right? So that is known as the triple column and cash book. So in simple way I will tell, cash book mainly they will follow the triple column system, triple column and cash book. So that's what just directly I have given cash book. Is I'm clear? So these are known as a subsidiary books. What we call it as a subsidiary books. It is a special books. Why the special books is required for us to not get confusion, to save money, and to systematic transactions, to enter systematic transactions. For this purpose our subsidiary books are going to be helpful for an accountant to what do you say, prepare a final accounts. So subsidiary books is one of the most important topic in our exam point of view. Especially he will ask a triple column and cash book. There is a chance to get triple column and cash book questions. So if you ask me how many types of cash book is there, once again let's revise. That is, cash book records all cash and bank transactions. Cash book means what? Just now I said that will records all cash and bank transactions, and purchase book records credit purchase of goods only. Why purchase book? If you purchase anything with the cash, that is going to be entered in the cash book. If you not purchase with the cash, if you have purchased on credit basis, that is going to be entered in purchase book. I hope you understood. Now purchase returns book. Purchase return book records goods returned to supplier. Whatever on credit base we have purchased the goods, if we are going to return, that is known as a purchase return book. So to whom we are returning? To the supplier, from where we have bought this book, for to them we are going to give back, right? That is suppliers. Now see, sales book records credit sales of goods only. Just now I said sales book means we are selling the goods or products. So we are recording this books on sales book. If you sold this same particular goods with the cash, you are going to enter in the cash book, and if not, in sales book you are going to enter. Why in sales book? Because you have given this goods on credit basis. Is that clear? And sales return book. Sales return book means what here? Records goods returned from customer. Records goods returned from customer. Whatever the goods we have, whatever goods we have sold, that if you got returned, that we are going to pass entries in a sales return book. Is that clear? Now bills receivable books records bills received from debtors. Why bills receivable book? If you sales records credit sales of a goods only, right? If you sold this goods on credit basis, you will get money, right? That interest is going to be happen in this type of book, that is bills receivable books. Records bills received from debtors. Bills payable book records bills accepted to creditors. General proper records transactions not covered by other subsidiary books. Please remember guys, there are 8 types of books, that is cash book, purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, sales return book, bills receivable book, bills payable book, general proper. These are 8 types of books of a subsidiary books. These all books we call as a special books. What we call here? We call them as a special books. Okay, please take screenshot. This is very important. I will give you what do you say, format of this particular subsidiary books. Okay, thank you. Please friends, like, share, subscribe. Okay, thank you so much.